Every face shape is beautiful and has something different to show off, and it's all about how you feel. Hey y'all, it's Frazier at Hairzilla, and today we're going to talk about face shape and fringe. So let's start with Mary. She has a round face shape, and the way we figure that out is by measuring her forehead, her cheekbones, and her chin. She is balanced and even in all three areas, and she curves in a little bit in the forehead and chin. Mary's face shape is round. Many times, round and square face shapes can get confusing because they're both so symmetrical and very similar. So here, Mary could be a square face shape, but I'm going to go with round. So Mary keeps her hair past her collarbone to elongate her round face because she loves having a full fringe, which will bring weight around the top of her forehead that she loves to accentuate because it shows off her cheekbones. Our next model is ME. She is an oblong face shape, and we can tell by her face shape it's a little bit longer than it is wide. ME has chosen a side part with a side swept bang, which I feel like is perfect for her face shape. So it doesn't continue to elongate it, but it also doesn't completely contour her face away. She wants to show her face shape off, and this side fringe does that for us. Next up, we have Lily, and let's look at her face shape. What do you think it is? You said oval, you are correct. And if we measure her forehead, cheekbones, and chin, we can see it's very balanced and rounded. Lily loves to wear her hair big in her natural curl and wavy, and she opted in for some light, fluffy, wispy bangs, which almost any face shape can get away with because it's a nice little accent. Next up is the beautiful Abby, and not only do we love Abby, but she is a heart shape or diamond shape face. So Abby opted in for longer tendril type face framing fringe around her face because she just wants to contour her forehead a little bit. She's not trying to hide anything, just a little bit of contouring, and I love what these small pieces of hair around her face does for it. Every face shape is beautiful and has something different to show off, and it's all about how you feel. So check out your face shape next time you're with your hairdresser and see what they recommend or what you want to do.